I wonder if I can push it up and then not get attacked by them. Let's move it back. The crows are just flying around. Look at that. They're just enjoying the wind and flying around. Look at that. Lots of them. Hi, Richard here. I think I found a nice place to take photographs and fly drones. So it's a bit windy here and there's lots of power line behind. But this is a great place to fly. So I would think that it's not very wise to fly now, right? Because it's super windy, you can see. Wind is blowing strongly, and you have lightning. So if you put the drone out, most likely you get the drone flying on your lightning striking on the drone. Okay, now let's try. What condition is this? Wow, I'm surprised it gives me good to fly, and it's got the wind direction right. Catch it. Good to fly. I'm surprised. Maybe it's for the large drone, right? So it's 19 km wind gust. Let's give it a try since UAV forecast says it's okay. Maybe we can give it a try. So it's the first flight of the Mini 2 in very strong winds. I'm probably asking for trouble, right? So you can see it. So this is the first flight of the Mini 2 in a very strong wind, you can see. So you like thunder lightning there behind and very clear sky here. I'll probably down first. Okay, and then let's do the start. Okay, so you need to take out the cable from the inside, and then only you put your phone, which is huge, and not hit the buttons, the power buttons and things like that. So we're gonna do a quick short flight. I don't think I can fly along with this. Reason being that it will not be a good weather to fly, because the thunder lightning is here. Let's power it on. And make sure the props are all open up. So best to open up all the props and make sure everything is in. And let's connect the power. Okay, we have recording. Let's take a snap. Caution to take off, no GPS. So I don't have a GPS signal here. Why is that so? It's not getting any GPS. Because this is the first flight, I've not calibrated it yet. And then now, takeoff permitted. Takeoff, there it goes. So it's holding up there, and it's quite windy, you can see. That's how it is. And it's trying to stay on the ground with the wind. So update home point, make sure you update the home points. That's it, beautiful. The home point is updated. And that's how it is, it's still recording. And can you see that? Uh, I don't think it's a wise day to fly, right? But let's just try it out. Let's go up there. Hopefully the lightning won't strike it. And there's some crows coming there. There it goes. And just rotate that. That's how it looks like. The thunder lightning is behind. You can see. And there's lots of crows there. Let's turn it down. That's where I am. I'm down somewhere here. And let's move it forward. So it seems to be holding on quite well. Let's bring it back and bring down the gimbal. Right, I'm just right below. You can see me just right below, and it seems to be able to bring it down. It's very windy, but it seems to be able to take the wind and bring the gimbal out. And hopefully you see me. Okay, hi everyone. So let's bring it down some more and bring the gimbal up and snap a photo. Let's bring it forward. Down. Yep. Let's snap a photo of me then. That's a picture of me. Okay, let's go it up. And now seems that the wind is lesser now. Let's turn it around. And fly out. It's quite dark. That's where you see the sun rays coming in. Beautiful. Maybe I do a shot here. Okay, snap a photo there. You can see beautiful suns behind, and then there's a recording there. Let's turn it back, and that's where the sun, the clouds are, and the thunder is. So let's bring it back home. Okay, this is just a quick first flight because I haven't gone through all the functions yet, and just do a quick return to home and see how it goes on. And it's coming back. Let's turn the gimbal down. Yeah, it's coming back, returning to home, and you can see it's coming back and it's up there. So there it is. Let's see how near it comes back to the return to home point. And it's coming down. I hope it didn't overshoot. Okay, it's rotating, coming down. And you can see that's me. Yeah, it's coming down pretty slow. I was hoping it comes down faster. So let's stand away. I started off the drone the Mini 2 from the back, so it should land towards my back. So there's the crow there. I hope the crow doesn't want to attack it. So there he is, landing on pretty near to where the crow is. Oh, look at the amount of crows we have here. Unsuitable to land because the surface is not right. Look at that, look at the crows. Wow, nice. I wonder if I can push it up and then not get attacked by them. Let's move it back. The crows are just flying around. Look at that. They're just enjoying the wind and flying around. Look at that. Lots of them. Just try not to get near them. We don't want them to start attacking the drone. And bring the camera up. Beautiful sight actually. Okay. So return to home, came back, and but it can't land because the surface is not smooth. So that's why it stopped there. And maybe we can just land it manually. But there's a nice sunset there. Let's get that photo here. Maybe I'll just get a shot of this. Okay, and then we'll switch to that and get a snap of that. Okay, now time to run there. Wow, the dark clouds are gone pretty fast. Okay, I'm down to 60%, so maybe I can just go on and take a flight. Seems to be okay, the weather. And let it go up higher. And I'm about, maybe I'll do 100 meters. Okay, I'm at 100 meters now. 100 meters now. And let's rotate it around and see how it goes right. And that's where all the thunder lightnings are. Hopefully there's no lightning strike on my drone. So that's the dark clouds. Look at that. Quite a bummer that I can't snap a photo and record at the same time. Okay, beautiful. Nice first try on this, and I think I'm just gonna return to home again and bring it back and get out of here. I think the dark skies are just coming, so I better come back first. Bring down the gimbal again and wait for the drone to come down. This time I'm gonna stand underneath. And it's coming down. You guys can see me. I'm waving, but I'm too small. So it's trying to come down. Maybe there's some wind. Yep, that's me. So hi everyone, Richard here. And that's the drone coming down. That's it. Beautiful. Look at that. So it's finally ending, and whoops, let's go back again. Okay, it did a great landing, and let's stop the recording. Okay, that's it everyone. Just a short flight, the first maiden flight of the DJI Mini 2, and it's been a good flight. It's very windy, and I managed to fly it with no problems at all. But I do notice that this does get hot, because I think it's somehow it's 4K. It is much hotter, and the battery is down. I'll do a battery test later on when the winds are good, and then I'll do a recharging test as well on the Type-C and see how long it takes to charge. So there you have it, guys. Do follow me on the next video if you want to see the rest, and do subscribe, and have a nice day. Stay safe. Bye.